check out the scale of this job. He's tackling a big project today. He's needed for some circuit repairs. He can take on some outsourcing jobs like this. The company doesn't have an electrician. If any problems arise, they'll contact him. He's off to handle a big job. The company's leadership remodeled an office. After the renovation, they found the wiring was wrong. 3 wires, all the same color. Only 2 sockets. The construction workers wouldn't install them. They were afraid of problems. They couldn't take the responsibility. So, with 3 wires of the same color, how can he distinguish them easily? Let's start by installing. The hot wire is easy to identify first. He can use a non-contact voltage tester. This wire, 236 volts, is the hot wire. Which of these 2 wires is the neutral wire? And which is the ground wire? Some say a multimeter can do it, so let's test it with a multimeter. He sets the multimeter to the lowest AC voltage range. 10 volts, black probe is left in the air. Testing this hot wire with the red probe alone, the needle moves slightly. He zooms in to test this wire, the needle also moves. The amplitude is small. It's hard to see without careful observation. Testing this wire, the needle doesn't move at all. No reaction. This wire definitely has a larger swing amplitude. By measurement, this wire is the neutral wire. This wire is the ground wire. This one is the hot wire. Let's verify it. He connects a small down light to the hot and neutral wires. Let's see if the light works normally. If it doesn't work, there's a problem. The down light lights up normally. In other words, by observing the multimeter needle movement, he can identify the hot, neutral, and ground wires. What about this socket? He uses the same method to test this wire. The needle swing amplitude is larger. So this one is the hot wire. This one, look closely, has a very slight movement. Testing the bottom wire, the needle doesn't move. No reaction. Testing this wire, getting closer to see the needle. There's a very slight movement. It's hard to see without careful observation. According to the measurements, this wire is the neutral wire. This one is the hot wire. Let's use the small down light to test again using the same method. Connecting these 2 wires, the down light lights up normally. In normal circumstances, the needle can measure it. With the same color wires, which wire is the hot wire? Which wire is the ground wire? That is to say, the lower the AC voltage range, the more accurate the data will be. Would a digital multimeter work? He didn't bring one today. He can't do the test. He used to question this method. Now after testing, he thinks it's okay. He wonders how reliable this method is. Are there any better methods? He hopes for a discussion in the comments. Alright. Thanks for watching. Please offer more guidance.